remainder should be taken as numerator and divisors should be taken as denominator. 1 4 by 11. This is how we convert any improper fraction into proper mixed fraction. Okay, this improper fraction and this is converted into mixed fraction. This is how it is converted. It is shown here. Okay, you have to try to understand it. Now come, I have already told you that it is very easy to add or subtract the like fractions. Okay, how you have added, in the same way you have to subtract the like fractions also. Okay, in the same pattern you can add or subtract the like fractions, but in the case of unlike fractions it will be a bit difficult. I have given some exercise also, you see here. You copy this exercise. Okay, I have given this exercise, you see here. Exercise add. Okay, number 1 you see here. 4 by 12, 3 by 12. B, 5 by 17, 1 by 17, 5 by 17. C, 5 by 13, 3 by 13, 2 by 13. D, 17 by 19, 1 by 19, 7 by 19, 5 by 19. So I have given 4 questions. This is as exercise, and do exercise 4E also. Page number 58. See in the book page number 58 and do exercise 4E also after doing this 4 sum. Okay. Now, subtraction between two like fractions should be done in the same pattern which shown above. Okay. How I have added here? Like fractions are added here. Like fractions are added. In the case of subtraction, the same pattern. Subtraction also you can do in the same pattern. Okay. Of like fractions. So let us do of unlike fractions. Okay, let us do of unlike fractions. So in the case of unlike fraction, here we learn how to add or subtract unlike fractions. Okay, how to add or subtract unlike fractions. You see here, example number A, 3 by 4 and 1 by 6. 3 by 4 and 1 by 6. So see here, 3 by 4, 1 by 6. Denominators you see. Observe the denominators. It is 4, it is 6. Do they have the same denominator? No. They have the different denominators. If the denominators are different, means they are unlike fractions. Okay. If they are unlike, then we cannot add or subtract directly. Okay. What to do? The process is there. First, we need to convert both the fraction into like fractions. After that, you can easily add. If the fractions are given in like fractions, if the fractions are obtained in like, then you can easily subtract or you can easily add them. Okay. So here I have done one example, 3 by 4, 1 by 6. I am going to add these two. Okay, how to add? You see here. I have written 3 by 4. Now, I have already told you that 3 by 4 and 1 by 6 should be converted into like fractions. To convert both the fractions into like, first you have to find the LCM of 4 and 6. I have done here. How to do LCM of 4 and 6. Okay. So I have already told you these fractions are given in unlike fractions. Okay, these are in unlike form. So we need to convert them into like form. To convert them into like form, first we have to find LCM of denominator. 4 and 6 are the denominators. First we need to find the LCM of denominators. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 3 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. This is how we find the LCM. In rough you can find the LCM. Okay. Now, what is the LCM here? 12. Now, the denominator of both the fractions should be converted to 12. Okay, 4 also should be converted to 12. 6 also should be converted to 12. So, to convert 4 into 12, we have to multiply 4 by 3. If you multiply denominator by 3, the numerator should also be multiplied by 3. So, in that way, it will become 12. But let this become whatever, no problem. Okay, no matter. So, now you see here, 6. 6 also should be converted to 12. To convert 6 into 12, we have to multiply 6 by 2. And as you have multiplied denominator by 2, so numerator should also be multiplied by 2. Okay. So in that way, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 6 2s are 12. Got my point? So in this way, we can obtain the like fractions. Now these two fractions are like fractions. Okay. So if these two fractions are like fractions can easily be added. So denominators are same, so 12. So simply you add up the numerator. 9 plus 2, that is 11 by 2. This is how we add the unlike fractions. You might have understood the example number 2. 5 by 8, 3 by 16. 5 by 8, 3 by 16. Denominators are different. 8, 16. So they are unlike fractions. Again, we need to convert both the fractions into like. How to convert? First, we need to find LCM of these two fractions. So here I have obtained LCM of 8 and 16. 8 and 16. LCM of 8 and 16 is how much? 16. Now, we have to convert this denominator into 16. This denominator also, it is already given in 16, no need to convert it. Okay. So if you want to convert it into 16, you have to multiply it by 1 only, or you can keep it as usual. Okay, no problem. But you need to convert 8 into 16. Okay, to convert 8 into 16, we need to multiply 8 by 2. If you multiply 8 by 2, then 5 also should be multiplied by 2 only. Means here it is 16. If you do not multiply by 1, also nothing will happen. You can keep 3 by 16 only. But as you have multiplied here also I have multiplied by 1, because we have to make the denominator 16 only. It is already given 16, so I have multiplied by 1. Okay. So 5 2s are 10, 8 2s are 16. 3 1s are 3, 16 1s are 16. Now again you see denominators are same. If denominators are same, you don't have to do any thing extra. Okay. If denominators are same, you can simply add up the numerators. 16 denominator same. 3 plus 10 plus 3, that is 13. 13 by 16. Okay. Question number 3. Okay. Question number 3. 3 by 16, 5 by 8, 1 by 12. 3 by 16, 5 by 8, 1 by 12. You see denominators are different. Denominators are different or not? Yes. So we need first add 3 by 16, 5 by 8, 1 by 12. You cannot add these three fractions. Okay. Because all are unlike fractions. So what to do? First, we need to convert all the unlike fractions into like fractions. Okay. So how to convert into like fractions? We have already learned. First, we need to find the LCM of these three denominators, 16, 8 and 12. I have already taught how to find the LCM, 16, 8 and 12. I have done here rough, and LCM I have obtained here 48. You can copy this LCM. Okay. 48. LCM is 48. Now, let us come here. Now we have to convert all the denominator to 48. To convert 16 to 48, we have to multiply 16 by 3. So it will be 16 3 is 48. So as you have multiplied denominator by 3, so numerator should also be multiplied by 3. So this 8 also should be converted to 48. To multiply 8 by 6, 5 by 6. We have to convert 12 also into 48. To convert 12 into 48, we have to multiply 12 by 4. 1 also should be multiplied by 4. So 3 3 is 9, 4, 16 3 is 48. 5 6 is 30, 8 6 is 48. 1 4 is 4, 12 4 is 48. In this way, we have obtained 9 by 48, 30 by 48 and 4 by 48. Okay. Now all these three fractions are like fractions. We can easily add them. So 48, 48, 48. 48 remains same. 9 plus 30 plus 4. 9 plus 30 plus 4. So how much it is? Altogether 43. 43 by 48. This is the answer. Okay. Now what will you do? You just copy all. Whatever I have done, you have to copy all and do all from exercise 4.